In the heart of the Amazon, the legend of the red-eyed serpent weaves a tale of adventure and danger. This mythical creature, said to guard hidden treasures, captures the imagination of locals and visitors alike. During a moonlit festival, performers gather to reenact the legendary encounters, complete with vibrant costumes and traditional music. As they dance and chant, the story unfolds, revealing the serpent's role in protecting the rainforest ecosystem. Audiences are left in awe as the boundary between myth and reality blurs, celebrating the cultural heritage of this enchanting region.